Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now I just want to go over what happened into AMC stock. So you guys know I've been covering this before the short squeeze happened, and so I'm going to track you guys along on what is happening on the day-to-day movements on this stock. And right now we're looking at AMC on the 30-minute time frame, and there are a couple different scenarios that I see playing out with AMC, and I want to go over those right now. So the first potential pattern that AMC could be trading in is a bull flag. And so where do I get that from? If you can see right here, we had a huge run up and now we are trading in this channel. And the reason why I think we potentially could be trading in this channel is because we have been rejected by this top line of resistance very beautifully on a numerous amount of occasions, which is showing that there is resistance at these levels. And the second thing is we did bottom out here at 872, 868-ish. We bled down a little bit, which was a little scare. And then we came right back up and we closed above what I call the bullish line of momentum, which is at $11. As long as we're above $11, AMC is in good health. If we are below $11, it is getting a little bit shaky for AMC. And so today what I was looking forward to seeing is if we could test that $11 range. And if we bounced off that, it would have confirmed for me that we could be in that wedge pattern. However, with that being said, we never tested that bottom line of support at $11 today, which brings me to the second scenario that we could potentially be trading in AMC stock. And that right here is this upward trend line right here. Why could this be potential scenario number two? You can see right here, January 26th, we treated this trend line as a line of resistance. We gapped up over, we broke down, accelerated our movement to the downside. We clawed our way back. You can see we battled here, got rejected. We broke right back over. We tested it 3 times in the last day, pre-market and post-market. And then today at the end of the market, we broke down, we fought our way back, and then we closed above this line of support. And so after markets, we are going down, but we're not going to pay attention to that right now. All that matters to us right now is that we closed above this line of support. And so those are the two scenarios that I see AMC in right now. Now that I've mentioned these two scenarios, how do we know which one we're trading in? So on Monday, if we break above this line of resistance right here with great volume, we backtest anywhere along this line of support, that will confirm that we are on this trend line, and that is a very bullish trend line. On the flip side, if we break down on Monday, what I want to see in price action is a nice bounce off this $11 support line. If we can hold this $11 support line, this will give me more confidence that we are in this bull flag, which does last another week long. And so if we break below this line of $11 and we test this line of 8 and we bounce off, then our bull flag does seem to be a little bit bigger, and then we could drag this down a little bit further, which will extend the length of our pattern. So if we break down below this point right here at 730, I think there's going to be a lot more downside for AMC. In terms of time frame, this uptrend line right here is the most bullish in the short term. This bull flag right here is a little bit longer, but it also has very good potential for an explosion at the end of the pattern, either to the up or downside. And lastly, if we're looking at volume, yes, the volume has gone down relative to what we saw on Wednesday, but the volume is still extremely high for the average of this stock. And if we look at the buying and the selling, you can see that we are kind of at a standstill. And right now we are in a battle for positioning in AMC right now, retailers versus short sellers. I got my popcorn ready. I'm in the front row and I can't wait to see how this one plays out. And so right now we are watching this very closely and very carefully because I just made a video on the overall health of the market. So the markets are seeming a little bit shaky right now. And so we are watching this because there's still a lot of volume in AMC. I am still in AMC, and so that was the quick update on AMC post-market today on Friday. And so that was our quick little update on AMC stock. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like. We're on that road to 10K subscribers, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.